Welcome to TTPK Store. There are waterproof rubber plugs at the upper and lower ends of the camera junction box. The rubber stopper is cut horizontally to effectively prevent light rain. It is not necessary to cut the upper rubber plug to install solar panels. Water in the junction box will not affect the normal operation of the camera. The wire is inherently waterproof. Then punch holes in the wall and fix the camera junction box on the wall with 4 big screws. Then hide the excess wires in the camera junction box. Then fix the camera junction box cover with the smallest screw. The above is the installation process of the camera junction box. Thank you for watching.